And with this heard and seen, I want to welcome you on this live digital broadcast called Skyways to Automation. My name is Ines Marbach, and I have the pleasure to guide you through the next roundabout 90 minutes, where we'll show you how you can optimize your logistics economically and ecologically. 75,000 tons of carbon dioxide. That's an immense number, and that makes me personally really happy because I'm not just a moderator, but also an ecologist. And when I read that a packing company cares so much about the environment, I was really, really thrilled. PacSize has a slogan for that. They call it smart packaging for a healthy planet. And how that works, whenever there comes up a question in your mind, anything which is not really clear, or something you would like to hear more concrete, to go deeper into the topic, don't hesitate to ask us. Also, during a session, we will have a Q&A session after every station, but also during a session, you're more than welcome also to pass your questions inside the chat, so I will be able to ask our experts. And keep in mind, there are no stupid questions, they are just stupid answers. Any air, any plastic, it fits perfectly to the item.
And no filling material is needed anymore. So.
And now I have coffee. Thanks. So this station might be especially interesting for you, because if you were asking yourself, is it also possible to bag really bulky, square items like skis, right-sized? Then my answer is yes. Yes.
What color are you?
Well, if I have to think about it, to be honest, my favorite color is green, but I think I'm more the solution creative kind of person. I would choose A for myself. So you can choose also type that inside the chat. And while you're typing that, our speaker has changed. Right now, Jan will talk to you, and I think you will tell our participants a little bit about the history of this atomic line, right?
Yes, absolutely.
A revolution. There is a game changer of an erected box system, also automated. How that works, we will see right now on the next station. And I welcome right now Horst and Peter, who are already standing there and waiting for my and your questions to show what the erected box system can do also for you. Hello, Horst and Peter, welcome. One question coming in. Can you indicate anything about the cost of such a complex system? Yes, interesting question. We are talking about money right now. So, who wants to answer?
Money? I think that's Peter.
Let me just summarize what we have seen so far. We started with the X7, which was a fully automated line. You keep in mind over 100,000 packages per hour. That's really immense and especially interesting for e-commerce. Then we've seen that it's also possible to do a right-sized packaging for bulky and square items. You've seen that on the atomic line. And last but not least, we showed you all about the services, the remote services, which is at least as important as the machines.
There's no limit.
No limit. I think one participant is already interested in doing contract with you, and he's asking, how are service contracts designed?
So
with that said, let me thank you, wishing you a nice day, and yes, see you next time. Bye.